where did you come from? Where did you come from?
Come out of bed!
Holy moly. Okay, welcome back, everyone. We are doing part 3.
Were you scared about that?
Well, I didn't know where you went. I thought I was going to do this video by myself. So, Burger Bar Fire Rescue, part 3. Here we go. This is the final... Bang! Good answer, good answer. So, I don't know about D-Man, but I am just so excited to finish this because...
Guys, in the last video we did this.
In the last video we did that.
We
That
did
is
this
correct.
like a fire code where you can drop it off if you use the steering wheel. You can drop it off, and then you can control where. We did it. Say that it was different.
What is that?
We did say that it was something different where this and this control it down here, but no.
Okay, I was trying to figure out what language you were speaking because it really didn't make any sense at all to me. So
That's a YouTuber.
trying
You just said a YouTuber.
I said, what? That's a YouTuber? I need a gray flap.
Yeah.
That's a YouTuber. Okay. Well, I don't know that YouTuber, so we're not going to give him props here. Because I don't think that's a real YouTuber.
Yes. Guys, can you comment down below what you think?
Well, just say it so they can hear. Comment down below if what? If they know.
Which YouTuber?
If you know which YouTuber that is. Okay.
They probably didn't comment it because I told them.
Oh, because you told them to?
No, not. I told them to do it, but I also told them what the YouTuber's real name is.
Oh, you did?
Yeah.
Oh, you told them in secret because I didn't hear you.
Yeah.
There's a head, there's a body. Here, you could have putting people together. Put the burger guy together, man. Put the burger guy together.
Burger.
Someone's got to flip the burgers.
Someone's got to flip the burgers.
Someone has to flip burgers. Who's it going to be? Might as well
Who's
be
it
the
gonna
burger
be?
guy.
Might as well be the TNT guy.
TNT, as long as we're not having a creeper flip burgers.
No.
No, because creepers won't flip burgers. Creepers will eat the burgers.
And they'll explode right away from the burger.
And yeah, that's probably a really good possibility. This goes
Guys,
back.
a rider hat. A rider hat.
A rider hat?
I know where the rider hat goes. On him.
Oh, I see. So he's like a burger flipper slash
Motorcycle guy.
motorcycle guy. I think I understand.
You understand?
I really don't understand. But I'm going to pretend that I understand now. Clip. Clip. There we go.
Play
Burger
Siri.
bar on the way.
Siri, play an ad.
Why would you tell Siri to play an ad in the middle of our episode? That's not cool. Okay, there is a...
It's just fake,
Where did it go?
guys. Guys, it's fake.
It's fake. Siri is not going to play an ad on our show.
No, maybe you're getting them on a video.
Nope, they're not getting any ads on our video. No ads on our videos.
There's
There we go. Okay.
some. One time they will.
One
At
time.
least one time on the video.
You think so?
Yeah.
Well, I don't think right now. I think right now we're going to be pretty ad-free.
Gone?
No. Okay, sticker number 7.
That's where I am.
Burger menu, and yeah, D-Man's off again. Exploring. exploring because he's never seen anything that we have in this house.
Oh yeah.
You have? And sticker number 9.
I'm just getting one of the giant things. You don't know what that is.
This is so awesome. I think I want a burger for dinner.
No, you're not having that.
No, I know I'm not having that. I'm going to get ruled out on that one. That I know. But I can still want one. But I'm just saying, like, does that not make you want a burger? It makes me want a burger. I want to go to a burger cart and get a burger.
And look at you right there. And line up, line up, line up, line up, line up.
How are you gonna burger your way there? Okay, there's the burger bar, and now we are gonna start building. Well, I'm gonna start building a flaming burger of sorts. This must be the. Oh yeah, it's the sign. Flaming burger. I guess that means charbroiled, right? Flaming burger. Seriously, I'm gonna want a burger. Where does this go? Just sits there. It's gotta be something else. Ha! That one goes like that. This one goes like this. And this is now become a solo video because D-Man has completely left the building. He's gone, folks. Thanks for watching.
No.
He ain't coming back. Something strange here. There we go. He's gone.
No, I'm not.
Gone, gone, gone. Just me and you here today, folks. Just me and you. That does not look right because you gotta show the ketchup oozing out the side. Oh, if I only had a Lego lifter. Nope, don't need one. I got it. D-Man, you coming back anytime today?
Yeah.
Yeah? Because, like, maybe people want to see you on your YouTube channel. Not me. I mean, I'm pretty awesome and stuff, but...
It's your channel.
No, it's totally your channel, dude. It's all you. This is your channel. I am just the...
I don't know how I'm going to lift this.
I am just the technical support
Guys,
that
I
does the building.
don't even know how I'm going to lift this thing, guys.
You don't know?
It's so heavy.
Is it even gonna fit on the table, man?
It is.
Something tells me no. Okay, times 4. I'm gonna get it right this time. Times 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Look, it told me to do something, times something, and I did it right this time. Sweet! Sweet!
For nobody. Sweet for nobody.
Sweet. It's absolutely sweet.
What is sweet?
It's like sweet, but even cooler. Sweet. Like shredded wheat. Sweet. Okay, we got a whole apparatus coming over here. Okay. Why? Stay. What are we doing, man? Oh, cool. We gotta put the garbage can on fire, too. This is gonna be awesome sauce. What's going on? What do you got there?
Dun, dun, dun. Yeah.
Yeah, why is that here?
I'm just putting it.
Oh, you're just.
I don't know how many pounds that weighs.
Oh, I see how this works now. Oh, this is awesome sauce.
Awesome sauce. What is awesome sauce?
Okay, I'm gonna move this out of the way for a minute so I can show our viewers what we're actually making today. So, here it is, everyone. Burger barn with a fire truck that's. Why is it facing that way? No. What happened here? Oh, I see what happened. D-Man happened. Okay. Here we go.
Dun,
So,
dun, dun.
we got a fire truck and the burger barn. Check this out. Check this out. You ready? Knock the fire out. Spray the water. Knock the fire out. Bam.
Let me see
Yeah,
if that's true.
it's totally true. You're so not paying attention.
Oh!
Watch. Bam. Knock the fire out.
Pew, pew. Let me do it. Let me do it.
Okay, do it.
Pew, 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 pew. It's like a boxing match.
It's like a boxing match. Well, it's supposed to be a stream of water, and it should just put out the fire, but
Oh! I knocked.
or you can just knock it over. Aim, boy, aim.
Maybe it can fly.
We got a flying fire truck.
Maybe you can make it fly if you want.
Or
Break
maybe.
it.
How old is this set? What's the ages on this set? Maybe it's too old for
5
you.
plus.
Oh, you're 5, so I guess it should be okay.
I'm 6.
Oh, you're 6? See? And then if you want, you can knock the fire out of the garbage can.
I wanted to try that. You can do this too. You can like do this. It's like you can pass by.
Yep.
Then you can go here and pass, pass, pass. You can
Fire out
pass
on the
it.
garbage can.
You can pass it. You can just go firing. You can just fire and move.
Okay.
Oh guys, I almost hit this.
All right.
This took me a whole entire 10 Christmases to get this.
10 Christmases? I don't think you've been even alive for 10 Christmases.
Yes, I have.
No, you're only not 10. Anyways,
Oh, 5 Christmases to get this.
there
no,
it is.
No, 4
4?
Christmases
Yeah.
to get this one thing. How do you shoot this? You're probably asking, how do you shoot
Whoa,
this? I do not.
you almost shot our viewers. That's crazy. It almost went right into the camera.
Oh, let's try and do it.
All right, let's save that for another day when you can explain all that to them.
And also,
But for today, we were building the burger bar fire rescue. What? Well, let's wrap up this video because people were here to watch the burger bar fire rescue, and we are now complete. So we can put this on our Legoland table. And what are you doing? Dude, that thing is like as big as you. What are you trying to do?
I'm almost as tall as it.
Boom.
Trying
Okay.
to shoot them.
Well, you shot the burger bar. I want a burger for dinner, so don't shoot the burger bar. Check out the window; it even opens up. We're open for business. Oh, we're closed. Oh, we're open. Oh, we're closed. There's a lot of neat little intricacies. Yeah.
No, you can open it fully. Let me.
I want a $3 fries, please, and a $7. I don't know what kind of burger that is, but and he's gonna have a wrap. Get a $4 wrap, please.
And the Joker wants up.
All right, and the Joker.
And the Joker wants that.
Awesome. So if you guys want to see Declan do a video by himself where he's playing with toys, make sure you leave a comment in the comment section. Because I'm telling him that's what you guys want to see, but he's saying no. But I know that's what you guys want to see.
And there we go.
There we go. for now, we've destroyed a Lego kit. I mean, we built a Lego kit.
Where does, oh, this goes for the door.
That's the door. I don't know how you managed to,
Like this?
yeah. You got some skills, man. You seriously knocked off the steering wheel, the windshield, you like tore everything apart. How do you do that, man?
I don't know. That's why you
Holy
go
cow.
Declan nothing.
Destructland. That's why you're called Destructland. And I said that would be a way better name for you. Because all you do is destruct. Okay, put the roof back together. And let's let our viewers go. Because they want to get to other videos that we have. They want to go watch the other videos. So let's let them go watch.
And also, I want
What do you want?
one patty burger.
A patty
and
burger?
3 fries and 1 wrap, please.
And one wrap. A $9 burger, a $4 wrap, and $3 fries, please.
Here you go.
Thanks, Chef Spaceboy. Spaceboy RD. Alright, everyone, that's going to do it for today.
He burned it.
Make sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any of our videos. If you like the video, want to see us do more Lego City stuff, hit that like button.
Maybe
For now,
like a Ninjago set.
I'm going to go try and find an actual burger because now this has made me hungry for burger and fries. Until tomorrow, peace.
Bye, peace. Keep on building.